Welcome to today's cryptocurrency news. Cryptocurrency prices today.
The price of Bitcoin, BTC, to US dollar, USDT, has increased by 0.74% to $29,265.99 on August 8, 2023, compared to the same day last year. The price of Ethereum, ETH, to USDT has increased by 0.16% to 1832.47, while the price of Binance Smart Chain, BNB, to USDT has decreased by -0.12% to 242.8.
Latest news.
Aave proposes reduction of CRV-LT, LTV, and debt ceiling on Ethereum and Polygon. Aave has launched a proposal to lower the CRV liquidation threshold, LT, loan-to-value, LTV, ratio, and debt ceiling on both Ethereum and Polygon networks. The current support rate is 100%, and the voting period is set to conclude in 9 hours. The proposed changes include a reduction of the CRV-LT from 61% to 40%, LTV from 55% to 35%, and debt ceiling from 100 million to 1 million on Ethereum, and a reduction of CRV-LT from 75% to 65%, LTV from 70% to 35% on Polygon. The impact of these changes on the Aave ecosystem is yet to be seen. CF Private Equity to launch a $100 million blockchain private equity fund. CF Private Equity has submitted an application to the SEC for the issuance of a blockchain-focused private equity fund, CF Blockchain Ventures LP. The fund is intended to raise $100 million, although the exact amount may be limited to the first round of fundraising. CF Private Equity has not provided a response to the news yet. More information on the fund's strategy and investment focus is expected to be released in due course. Mango DAO voters reject additional legal fees payment amid Mango Labs budget crisis. The Mango DAO has refused to approve a new $1 million budget proposal to cover regulatory investigations and legal proceedings. The decision was made after Mango Labs spent its 23-year annual budget of $10 million in the first half of the year. The DAO voters have also opposed the new budget request. The trial of Mango Markets attacker Abraham Eisenberg is also announced. He is charged with commodity fraud, commodity manipulation and wire fraud and could face up to 20 years in prison. Tether CTO confirms over $325 million USDT redeemed, advocates KYC AML compliance. Tether's Chief Technology Officer Paulo Ardoino announced that over $325 million USDT has been redeemed today, while emphasizing the importance of adhering to the rules of the fiat currency system, including proper KYC AML compliance. Ardoino explained that although Bitcoin is decentralized, USDT is a centralized stablecoin using a decentralized transport layer, and individuals seeking to redeem fiat currency must adhere to the rules of the fiat currency system. Sun Yuchen moves $200 million USDT from JustLend to a new address. Sun Yuchen has transferred $200 million USDT from JustLend to his personal wallet, then shifted the funds to an unknown address, according to a tweet by Adam Cochran, a partner at Sinamhain Ventures. The reason for the transaction and the destination of the funds remain unknown at this time. Binance to launch ASTR Try, ATM Try, ACM Try, Bar Try, JUV Try, and PSG Try trading pairs. Binance has announced the addition of ASTR Try, ATM Try, ACM Try, Bar Try, JUV Try, and PSG Try trading pairs to its platform. Trading for these new pairs will begin at 8 o'clock UTC on August 10th, 2023. This diversification of trading pairs provides Binance users with more options and offers enhanced liquidity. Traders are encouraged to review the new pairs and consider their potential to enhance their portfolios. Binance margin to delist ASTR /BUSD, Audio BUSD, BAT BUSD, BSW BUSD, NMR BUSD, People BUSD, and RSR BUSD margin pairs. Binance Margin 宣布将在2023年8月17日6点0分停止， ASTR-BUSD、Audio BUSD、BAT BUSD、BSW BUSD、NMR BUSD、People BUSD 和 RSR BUSD 的 Cross Margin 和 Isolated Margin 交易。这些交易将在8月10日6点0分停止 Isolated Margin Borrowing， 8月17日6点0分停止交易，并随后将这些交易从 Cross Margin 中移除。同时，这些交易将从 Binance Margin 中移除。用户仍然可以在 Binance Margin 中使用这些交易。Frax Finance Discord Server Hacked. Users warned to avoid links and transactions. 30K security team alerts users of breach in Frax Finance Discord server. Users advised to avoid clicking links and execute transactions until team regains control. Press release. Frax Finance Project's Discord server breach. Stay informed and vigilant. The security team at 30K has announced that the Frax Finance Project's Discord server has been breached. The team is urging community members and stakeholders to avoid clicking on any links and executing any transactions until they regain control of the server. The Frax Finance Discord server was compromised by hackers, and the security team has issued a warning to community members and stakeholders to stay informed and stay vigilant. The team will provide updates as the situation develops. Stay tuned for updates and follow the Frax Finance team on social media for any updates. Contact. Name. 30K Security Team. Phone. +121244444444. Email. info@30k.com. Mailto. info@30k.com. Binance Futures announces leverage and margin tier adjustments for USDT Perpetual contract. Binance Futures is set to adjust leverage and margin tiers for USDT Perpetual contract on August 8, 2023. Users are advised to modify their positions and leverage in advance to avoid liquidations. The update will affect existing positions. Bitdeer completes mining facility construction in Bhutan. Bitdeer, a company owned by Wu Jihan, has completed the construction of its mining facility in Bhutan. The approximately 23,000 newly purchased mining machines have arrived at the site but are currently undergoing power-on testing. Once operational, the machines are expected to provide a hash rate of around 2.5 EHS. Foresight News. Mode L2 network launches public testnet. Foresight News. Mode, an L2 network based on OP Stack, has launched public testnet. The initiative aims to reward developers, users, and protocols for the growth of the Mode and Optimism superchain ecosystem. Mode, a network built on OP Stack, has launched its public testnet, providing developers with growth tools and services to acquire and retain users. The initiative is aimed at rewarding developers, users, and protocols for the growth of the Mode and Optimism superchain ecosystem. The testnet launch is part of the ongoing development of Mode, which is a leading L2 network in the blockchain space. The network is built on OP Stack, a powerful consensus algorithm that enables faster and more secure transactions. The launch of the public testnet is a significant milestone in the development of Mode and a testament to the network's potential. The initiative is designed to provide developers with the tools and services they need to acquire and retain users, ultimately driving the growth of the Mode and Optimism superchain ecosystem. Foresight News is your go-to source for the latest industry news, trends, and analysis. Follow us on social media for updates on the latest developments in the blockchain space. Argent Wallet announces upgrade due to Starknet update. Argent, a smart contract wallet, has announced that some older Starknet accounts will need to be upgraded due to an ongoing update. The upgrade is scheduled for August 21st, 2023, and the majority of Argent X accounts will not be affected. Users who see a need to update message when opening Argent X need to upgrade as soon as possible, or they risk losing their assets. Curve founder sells 143.65 million CRV to investors. Foresight News. Curve founder has raised 57.4 million through OTC sales since August.
Thank you for watching today.
Bless the audience to make a lot of money in the currency circle. It is hoped that the audience can grasp investment opportunities, invest rationally, and earn reasonable returns. At the same time, the audience is also reminded that investment is risky and needs to be treated with caution, and they should not blindly follow suit or overtrade.